Every day, we fire radio signals into the deep, dark expanse of space, calling out blindly into the void. We attach maps of our solar system, human greetings, and our exact cosmic coordinates to spacecraft, hoping whoever finds them will be eager to connect. The universe is nearly 14 billion years old and contains trillions of star systems. Statistical models suggest advanced civilizations should be plentiful, and the cosmos should be a deafening chorus of alien radio traffic. But after decades of pointing our most sensitive instruments at the sky, we hear absolutely nothing. Our assumption of a populated, welcoming galaxy is at odds with the reality of the static. The dead silence of space is a glaring anomaly. Perhaps we have completely misunderstood what quiet means on a cosmic scale. Think of a thriving forest on Earth at night. It is full of life, but if the crickets and birds suddenly fall silent, it suggests a predator is moving through the undergrowth. If the universe operates the same way, the silence is a deliberate, necessary mechanism for survival. To predict how an alien civilization might behave, we have to look at the biological rules that govern life on Earth. Charles Darwin described this struggle for existence. Life naturally expands and multiplies exponentially, but the resources required to sustain that life, like food, water, and space, are strictly finite. To achieve interstellar travel, an alien civilization would have had to outcompete every other species on its home planet, aggressively dominating those finite resources. By the very definition of evolution, any civilization capable of crossing the stars is a highly efficient apex predator. In 1651, philosopher Thomas Hobbes described a state of nature, a brutal condition where individuals exist without a supreme authority to govern their behavior. The galaxy is the ultimate state of nature. There is no galactic leviathan, no cosmic power to keep heavily armed civilizations in check. This creates diffidence, the inescapable paranoia when you cannot verify an unknown neighbor's intentions. Light speed limitations mean a message of peace could take centuries. By the time it is received, the sender may have already changed or advanced beyond your own. Because you cannot know if a neighbor intends to destroy you and cannot talk to them in real time, logic demands you assume they are hostile. Hobbes argued that in this state of paranoia, the rational way to secure yourself is anticipation. You must strike before you are struck. Pausing to see if an alien civilization is friendly gives them a window to prepare a first strike. In space, that window allows for your total destruction. When the survival of an entire species is at stake, the payoff for a surprise attack is entirely certain, while the payoff for diplomacy is a lethal gamble. In this zero-sum environment, the only winning strategy is to eliminate the other player before they can act. In a Darwinian universe governed by Hobbesian paranoia, a preemptive, annihilating strike is the only logical response to detecting a signal. The stars above us mask a silent, deadly cosmic hunting ground. Civilizations either learn to hide their radio signatures perfectly, or they are swiftly exterminated by older, more ruthless predators. The void of signals suggests that the dark forest logic is already governing the galaxy. Humanity continues to broadcast our location into the abyss, behaving like a toddler crying out in a forest full of wolves. Until we are the undisputed apex predator of the cosmos, our only rational survival strategy is total silence. To survive the cosmic state of nature, we must shut our mouths, turn off the lights, and hide in the dark.